So in this question, let us solve the solution part. In this question, we can see that a cube of casting of 50 mm side, right? So that side that is of cube, it is defined as 50 mm. Undergoes a volumetric solidification, shrinkage, and volumetric solid contraction of 4% and 6%, right? Now we have a shrinkage. So first shrinkage, it is defined as a solidification shrinkage. So this is solidification shrinkage. It is defined as solidification shrinkage is of 4% and further volumetric contraction. So contraction is defined as 6% respectively. Here in this case, no riser is used. So I believe everyone should aware about the purpose of riser. The first purpose of riser is to compensate liquid metal during solidification, right? When there is no risers, there is no compensation of liquid metal in the mold cavity. Okay, we need to understand what should be the size. We have to calculate the size of cube after solidification and contraction, right? Okay, so solid side of cube after solidification. So side of cube after solidification, let us first define that is volume of cube. So whenever I say volume of cube, it is of A cube, which is equivalent to 50 cube, right? So let us understand if 4% is the solidification shrinkage, right? So the after 4%, the available you can say the volume of first it is defined as after solidification shrinkage. After solidification shrinkage, available volume should be of 96%, right? Available volume is of 96%. So we can see that 96% means 0.96 into 50 of cube. So this is the volume, right? So let's understand. Once we know this volume, we can define is of again A1 cube, right? So with respect to that, if we want to find out the value of A cube, then it should be defined as the side of A1. Like after first solidification shrinkage, this is defined as cube root of 0.96 into 50 cube. I believe the answer should come of A1 is 49.32 mm. This is the side after first shrinkage. Initial, the volume is of 50 mm. After first shrinkage, it becomes 49.32 mm, right? So this is not the stop. After solidification shrinkage, we have solid contraction. So again, if we are going to see the solid contraction is of 6%, right? So available, you can say the available here I'm going to write if it is to be of 96%, I believe it is to be of 94% available volume is there for after solidification contraction. So 94% of 49.32 of cube, right? So the new sides is defined as, suppose it is defined as A2 or it is again defined as A cube. So this available, you can say the volume is defined as 94% is defined as 0.94 into 49.32 of whole cube, right? So when you solve this of A2, you will get of this cubic root, and this values comes again around as 48.32 mm, right? So here in this case, the option is given as 48.32. Now, this is a very simple question, but the important understanding of this question is that is, you can say, the beauty of a gate examination. In this question, Once you solve the first contraction, its answer is given as 49.32, right? And you can also see that the option is already given as 49.94. It is close to a 49.32. So that is a common mentality of every student. Whenever you solve any of the question and this answer, and this answer is given or it is to be shown in this question, immediately we mark it and move forward, right? So we have three options here in this case. So just listen this question, answer carefully, and you will also able to understand. So this is the right answer, that is 48.32 is the right answer.